Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all well. Don't forget there is a giveaway on the channel, so don't miss it. Today the video is about Hot Wheels Premium Pop Culture Dumb and Dumber. It's a Mutt cut van from the iconic movie Dumb and Dumber, in which the roles were played by Jim Carrey and Jeff Daniels. So before we delve into details, let's unbox it. As it is a detailed mini model 1984 Ford Econoline van. It's a model of the Mutt cut van from the movie, also known as Shaggin' Wagon. This diecast van features a black interior, black metal bottom, tinted window, sticker lights, fun face on the front, and the logo on the sides. And of course, it has a tail that doesn't waggle. I found the Dumb and Dumber Mutt Cut van on metalcreation.com, but when I checked the website, it was sold out. But you might find in other sites like eBay, Etsy, or Amazon. Prices can vary from $7 to $18 or more. So that covers the detail about this diecast van. So now let's dwell a bit into the history of this particular van. It's a model of 1984 Ford Econoline van that was turned into a big dog shaped vehicle with a tan carpet all over it in the movie. The fur is a key feature of this design. So if you're wondering where the real Mutt cut van is, it's usually shown at the Celebrity Car Museum in Branson. It's in Missouri. There are also many copies that are often used at the events and for ads. So if you like a Dumb and Dumber and Jim Carrey, this would be a great to add to your collection. For me, looking at this Mutt cut van, I'm really impressed by its design. It has a solid feel and I like the heaviness when I hold it. I think it's a great piece to add to my Hot Wheels movie collection, as it's a unique diecast van made by Hot Wheels. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. If you are a part of the Chill with Sabi community, thank you for your support. Please continue to watch my other videos and share them with friends. Let's grow this Chill with Sabi community together. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.